When you hold the Weber Rapidfire Chimney Starter, the first thing that stands out is how solid it feels without being overly heavy. The body is made from aluminized steel. That's regular steel with a thin aluminum coating. It handles high heat very well and resists rust, so it holds up longer even with outdoor storage. The base grate is shaped to draw heat up through the coals, and the side vents let plenty of air in for a quick, even burn. The main handle is thick and sturdy, with a heat shield that adds a layer of protection even when the chimney is full of burning charcoal. There's a second smaller handle up front, handy for giving you additional control when dumping hot coals into the grill. Lighting is straightforward: paper towels or a starter cube under the chimney, charcoal on top, and fire lit from below. Flames rise evenly through the chimney, and within about 15 to 20 minutes, the top layer of coals start to ash over. Heat-resistant gloves make it easy to grab the handle, tip the coals into the grill, and spread them out for cooking. The size of the chimney works well for a standard kettle grill, producing an even bed of heat for most cooks without the need for lighter fluid. Overall, it's a simple, dependable tool, so if you're in the market for a chimney starter that speeds up the lighting process and delivers consistent results, definitely give this product some consideration.